Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tenvis IP security camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is for troubleshooting. If this camera will not connect to Wi-Fi, or if it's not pairing with your devices, or if it seems to be frozen or not responding, any kind of functionality or connection issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. You will need to set it up again though, because it will be like it came out of the box, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set this camera up in a new location and just wipe all of the previous information on it, so it's like a new camera, we can go ahead and do it just coming underneath and finding the reset button. Now you will need a paper clip or something like that to push into the hole and press the button. But once you do that, you're just going to press and hold, and just one thing, when you're doing this, you need to have power to the camera. But you're going to need to press and hold this for at least 15 seconds in order to initiate the factory default reset.